Yo, what is up, crypto crew? Welcome back to a brand new cryptocurrency video. Hope you guys are doing well, staying safe out there. And in today's video, what I'm going to be doing is talking to you guys about library credits, what it is, how you guys can get started investing in it, and what I think about this coin. So before we get started, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe if you guys haven't already, and without further ado, let's get started. So basically what library credits is, I'm on their main website, and it says right here it will be a place where you can find great videos, music, ebooks, all on your device, on a big digital library, which is kind of like YouTube in a sense. As you can see from this picture, it looks like YouTube pretty much. You know, you can upload your videos, and the thing I saw when looking at this is you can actually sync your YouTube account to this library credits, and I think for each view you get paid in library credits. So instead of, you know, on YouTube you guys have to get monetized and you have to meet a certain threshold, you can start getting paid in library credits right away in their coin. So going down more, it's a new protocol which allows anyone to build apps that interact with digital content on library networks. So like I said, with YouTube, you can set a price per stream or download like iTunes, or get it free like YouTube without ads, which is awesome. Traditional video like YouTube, Instagram, Spotify, you can upload your stuff, and as I said, it's you can just sync your YouTube, which is very cool. You don't have to re-upload it. And as you can see from this picture, it kind of looks like YouTube. You know, you have your videos you can watch on, your tags, how long it is. It looks just like it. So it's community driven. Everything built on library is open source, which is awesome. You can see everything. They're not hiding anything from you. How and why library uses blockchain. Like Bitcoin, enables people to create databases that's no single entity controlled, so there is no main person behind all these videos. I'm pretty sure you can upload whatever you want, do whatever you want, and no one can take it down in a sense. And as I said, they utilize their own coin, and you guys can, you know, buy that coin. So the reason why I think this is, you know, a great altcoin to invest in, and I personally have invested in this. I've heard other YouTubers like King of FOMO, Trayvon James talk about library as well, and I looked into it, and it definitely looks like an awesome coin to invest in. So currently the price is trading at 2 pennies. I got in. I'm very happy because I got in. What's the date? The 28th. I think I got in around, I would say probably over here, back in, hold on, let me go to the 4-hour chart. I think I bought maybe a couple days ago, so April. I would say I bought like right here probably, and I wasn't expecting to trade this or anything. I was just, my sole goal is to hold it, and I think I was up like 40%. I don't know how much. I was just looking at my Blockfolio, which I was super grateful for. I'm actually I'm planning on buying more actually. I'm just waiting for a minor dip, or I might get into this price, but overall, it's down 1.6% today. For the week, it was up quite a bit. I don't remember how much, but it definitely is a great coin. I mean, it's down 96%, but so is everything else because of the market. 52-week high, so it went all the way up to 5 cents. And it just seems like an awesome coin. So it was up 7% yesterday. The reason, as I said, is because everything, it's like a YouTube in a way. So you don't know, I don't know if you guys have heard of Steam. You guys can do the same thing on Steam. I think this is just pretty much like a copy of it, but it's very unique. You know, like if you look at the website, it's very clean, it's very well thought out. You can download it on pretty much a lot of platforms if you guys have one. They have their own video that you can watch if you guys are interested in what it's about. I'll leave a link to all these down below if you guys want. But it looks like an awesome platform to be a part of, and you know, as you guys know, I always love being in new things, and because for me, being in crypto, you never know what can happen a year or two down the road. So I always like to diversify, even if it's like $50, $100, just put it in, because you never know how it will come out in a couple of years. So that's what I plan to do. I think, like I said, I put in maybe $100 into this. I might put in more, but if you guys are interested in buying the coin, all you guys have to do is go to CoinMarketCap, and if you go to market pairs by reported volume, I bought it on CoinEx. I'll leave a link to it down below as well. Basically, you send your BTC over there and you buy it. If you guys don't know how, I did a whole tutorial how you guys can trade on Binance. It's exactly the same on CoinEx. You just send your funds over and you buy it that way. Unfortunately, this is not offered on Coinbase, so you're gonna have to do it this way. But yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video on how what I think about library credits. And as far as the price will go, I honestly, so if we look at the all-time high, it looks like the highest the price ever went to was $1.22 back in 2018, early 2018, which is absurd because only 2 pennies. As I said, like, even if you put in $50, you know, who knows if it can go back up to $1.22 with the halving coming up. You want to make sure. I know some people say, especially with crypto, instead of, you know, putting $50 in 5 coins, put $250 all in 1 coin, and it can maximize your returns. But then again, you're putting all your eggs in that one basket of that one coin. You never know what will happen. So personally, I prefer, if I have the opportunity and, you know, some coins seem interesting to me, I'll put in $50 in each coin, hoping and maybe one day it'll go back up to its all-time high. So, and with the Bitcoin halving coming up, it's very, you never know what's going to happen with the prices. You know, some people are saying it'll come back down and go back up, as history does. But as I said, there's a lot of uncertainty right now in the world because of the virus and unemployment, everything that's going on. So it's going to be awesome to see how everything plays off in this crypto world. But other than that, this is just like a quick intro on LBRY. If you guys are interested in buying it, as I said, I'll leave a link to CoinEx down below. And if you guys do want me to make a video on how you guys can buy it, I'll actually make a tutorial on how to buy it on CoinEx. It's pretty simple, but I'll make that if you guys want. So leave a comment down below if that's what you want. But other than that, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, keep hustling.